In this video, I will show you how to change the scale when you are dealing in Photoshop. What I mean by that is, for example, when you go to View, New Guide Layout, you will find here the dimensions in pixels. If you want to change that, simply I'll press Cancel, press Ctrl R in your keyboard to activate the rulers, and right click on it and change the scale you like, something for example like centimeters. Now when you go back to View, New Guide Layout, you will find now the scale has changed to centimeters. But unfortunately, it doesn't work in every tool in Photoshop. For example, when I select the selection tool, I find here the feather is still in pixel, and when I make a rectangle, for example, I will find here also the dimension is still in pixel. And even if I want to transform it using Ctrl T, I will find here also the dimension is in pixel. So to solve that, simply write the scale you want manually. Let me show you how. I'll press just one click and I will choose here 5 cm for centimeters and click OK. Same thing with any scale. 5 in for inch, and mm for millimeter, etc. It works for everything.